It's time again for another update with regards to my portfolio and my business, of course. And I'm also going to tell you about a little sector that I'm currently exploring a little bit, and it's quite an exciting one for sure. Let's start right away with the allocation of the portfolio. And currently you have about 49% in crypto as of this very moment, or actually as of the 1st of August, as of just a few days ago, of course. 40% is in stocks right now, and I'm sitting about 11% in cash. I might have to bump up that amount of cash in a very short amount of time because I'm currently looking to buying a car. I'm not entirely sure when I'm going to be buying a car, but when I do, I'm likely going to, well, potentially sell off a little bit of crypto or potentially a little bit of them stocks so that I can increase my cash position a little bit again. With regards to my stocks, let's take a look at the long-term portfolio as of right now, or again, as of the 1st of August, of course. We right now see Tesla in the main lead. They are, well, right now about 11% of my long-term portfolio. Nothing really interesting to add about Tesla at this very moment. Then we have Upwork in second position, of course, with 10%. They're going to have, or they already had their earnings, of course, had a pretty bad day after the earnings. It went down like 10% just the day after, but now it has been recouping some of those losses. But yeah, so far nothing major is happening there just yet. The valuation for Upwork still seems to be pretty fine. I do think if it's going to go back up to like $60 per share, I might take a little bit of profits to trim that position a little bit. But so far I'm happy with it. I don't mind just leaving it there because I do think the valuation is still fine for Upwork. STEM right now is in a third position. As you might know, I made a few videos about STEM, and the last video I did about STEM was me taking some profits. Of course, not a lot of people were happy with that, but it did seem to be a pretty solid way to take some profits, or a pretty solid moment to take some profits, actually based on technical analysis and also based on evaluation. If you haven't watched that video yet, definitely make sure to watch that video. It could be a very interesting one. So I took some profits when I made that video, of course, and I added a little bit back just like I think last week. So right now it's in third position and I like where it is right now. Then we have Teladoc. About 9% of my position or of my portfolio is in Teladoc right now. Nothing really major to add over there. TPGY is in 5th place with 9% allocation in my long-term portfolio. I think that this week could be a very interesting week for TPGY because the outside daily deadline for the merger is going to be this Friday, August 6th. They can actually extend this deadline even more if they want to do so. But yeah, at least I do think we're going to go and get some kind of filing from the SPAC, of course, TPGY at this moment, or at this week rather. So that's going to be very interesting to see. I'm probably going to make a video about TPGY on Wednesday, so keep your eyes open for that one. And then we have Lemonade. 9% of my position is in Lemonade right now. They are going to have their earnings call, I believe, in a few days. I think it's on a Thursday. So yeah, keep your eyes open for that too. EHang, 8% of my position. They started their operations in the new facility, the Yangfu facility, and they're also going to have a very important day, in my opinion, the Investor Day, which is going to be on August 18th. So I do think that is very likely to see, we're very likely going to see some reports from the investors talking about this Investor Day, talking about what kind of things they have seen at the Yangfu facility, and that could definitely provide a little bit more of a bullish sentiment for the stock for the next couple of months ahead. And I also think that the stock is currently at a floor, at a pretty solid support level. We can definitely go lower, but I kind of think that we have seen the lows for now, but of course that is not financial advice. And then we have Ag Eagle, UAVS. I think also Ag Eagle is its very important support right now. I added a little bit to my position, I think last week or potentially 2 weeks ago. So yeah, I definitely like where that stock is sitting right now. Charge 0.7%. I definitely should have taken some profits when I took off a little bit of my STEM position, of my Lemonade position, and when I exited the swing trade for XPeng, which was a few weeks ago. I definitely should have taken some profits for ChargePoint because the technical analysis did suggest a toppy point over there, and it also suggested that the valuation of ChargePoint was a little bit on the high end. So I probably should have taken some profits, but yeah, that is definitely on me. Then we got CRISPR Therapeutics, 6% in CRISPR right now. I kind of think I might get rid of this stock at some point for various reasons. I probably won't get into this video just right now, but it probably doesn't really fit my current portfolio, my current strategy that well. So I might get rid of it at some point, but yeah, for now I'm just going to let it sit there and hopefully have a little bit more momentum to the upside in the next couple of months. Then we got View, 6% is in View right now. I actually like the valuation for View at this very moment. I do think a lot of investors were looking at this and were saying, well, this seems to be overvalued. But if they are going to get $75 million in revenue, I do think the price to sales ratio at least is going to go look very good for View. Also keep in mind they have quite a lot of cash on their balance sheet right now. But of course, do keep in mind View has large expenses for what they are doing in the world of smart glass. But definitely an interesting company to take a look at if you would like to do so. I'm very much looking forward to the earnings call of View. I'm not entirely sure when that's going to be, but yeah, it's going to be very exciting for sure. Then we've got Workhorse, 5% is in Workhorse still. They are going to have earnings next week, I believe on Monday, but I'm not entirely sure. Nothing really major to add over there. ALPP, Alpine 4, 3%. We're all still waiting for that damned NASDAQ uplisting. It has been taking so long, and we're just still don't know when it's going to happen. But yeah, I've been waiting for this so long, I'm just going to continue waiting a little bit and hopefully get the NASDAQ uplisting within a couple of months or so. And then VACQ, about like I don't know how many, but probably like 0.3% of my portfolio is in VACQ, probably even less actually, way less. That's probably 0.1% or whatever. But this is just based on the donations that I received from César during the live streams. Every time he donated some money, then I put that money into VACQ because it's one of his favorite stocks. And so far I haven't really added to my position. So it's still a very, very small position indeed. Then let's take a look at the crypto portfolio, and nothing really big has changed over here. Just the value of crypto has gone up over the last over the last month, of course. I did actually sell my Chili's tokens, and I bought some skill tokens instead. This is the token for the game Crypto Blades, and also I have some BNB left to buy some more NFT gaming tokens, because that is actually the new sector I'm currently looking at. I'm looking more at NFTs and also NFT gaming in particular, because I do kind of think that NFTs are more important than many people are thinking right now, because I see this like crypto world emerging, this digital world emerging, where Bitcoin is like the financial system of this new world, where Ethereum is used to build the applications of this new world, Aave is used for borrowing and lending money, Polkadot is connecting the worlds with each other, connecting blockchains with each other, then we have Chainlink as a bridge between the real world and the crypto world, and then we've got, of course, NFTs, which are like the museums of that world, and probably many, many more things to go, and now also crypto gaming, or NFT gaming, of course. And I do think that NFT gaming is a great on-ramp towards NFTs in particular, of course, but also crypto in general. A friend of mine actually likes playing games a lot. He didn't own any crypto, but some other friends of his started to play these NFT games, and now he does too. So he started playing Axie Infinity, which right now is definitely the leader of the NFT gaming space, and now he's also playing Crypto Blades, which is a smaller game, at least if you look at the market cap of the skill token. The skill token, again, being the token of the Crypto Blades gaming thing. But it does have a lot of users, because I think that right now they are sitting on like 350,000 users. The user growth has been very, very accelerating, and there is going to be a potential Binance listing. Right now it's not listed on any major exchanges, the skill token I'm talking about. So if they are going to be listed on Binance, which they might be because they were one of the winners of a Binance Smart Chain Gaming contest, they were one of the 10 best applications actually. So it's definitely possible that there is going to be a Binance listing, and that could be very awesome for the skill token. Now do keep in mind, this is a very, very, very risky play. The NFT gaming space is very new, very exciting, but be super duper careful here, because again, it's very, very risky. You can definitely lose all your money that you invest. So definitely watch out for that. I have at least less than 2% of my crypto portfolio in this NFT gaming token, this skill token, and at least definitely less than 1% of my net worth. So keep in mind, do not go all in this NFT gaming space. And then let's talk about the ROI for the entire portfolio, of course. With regards to stocks, I do believe I'm still down. It says minus 6.5%. Could be a little bit higher because I did take some profits, so I'm not entirely sure if this is accurately represented, but let's for now say I'm down 6.5%, and crypto is still up quite a lot, 79.8%, so that makes the total portfolio up for the year 27.5% year to date. And then my business update with regards to, first of all, my translation business, Alpha Lingua. Well, just a business. It's not really an entire business, but it's just me translating and reviewing texts or translations, of course. I'm still working less and less for the translation agencies. So currently the revenue that I get from that business is definitely decreasing. Plus, keep in mind that right now we are in summer, and usually in summer there are not that many translations that need to be done. So that is definitely why my revenue has been declining over the last couple of months. And with regards to Nesami right now, the revenue hasn't been great because I haven't really been super active on YouTube. As you might know, I've been taking a few holidays. I have been doing just a lot of live streams because I was focusing on other stuff, which I'm going to talk about in a second. So with regards to the AdSense revenue, I didn't get a lot of AdSense revenue for the last couple of months. But also keep in mind, I'm still not really, I'm still not really marketing my programs, for example, which is definitely something I'm going to do in September. Because I actually just finished a program about investing for beginners in Dutch. That is going to be something I'm going to be focusing on for the next couple of months, actually. I have done 104 videos, some small ones like 30 seconds, some very long ones like 15 minutes. In total, the program is going to be 6 hours long, and in August of this month, I'm going to be using this month for the entire marketing strategy. So I'm going to be thinking about how to promote, how to market my program for Dutch people, because it is definitely in Dutch. And then somewhere in September, because I'm going to take another break, I'm going to go on holidays to Spain at the end of August, 26th of August until like the 6th of September. I'm not entirely sure. I believe it's the 6th of September. And after that date, I'm going to be launching the program. So I believe from September on, like September, October, November, December, those are going to be very important months for me because I will be launching that program and I will be marketing it quite heavily, if you will. So let's see how that is going to work out at the last couple of months of this year. And by the way, if you want to know a little bit more about my mission and about the things I'm currently doing, like why am I doing what I'm doing, why am I on YouTube right now, why am I building these programs, then definitely check out nesami.com/mission to check out a little bit more about that mission and also about my roadmap, because I definitely have provided a roadmap with the things I'm going to do, which I am definitely looking forward to executing all of those. So that's a quick little business update and a portfolio update from my side. Now, if you want to learn a little bit more about my mission, about my roadmap, check out the link right here in the corner. And if you haven't checked out my STEM video where I explained why I was taking a little bit off of my position because of technical analysis and evaluation, check out this video over here. And with that being said, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye!